Excuse me, are you from House Expert Group?
Yes.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bali and Indonesia. Let me introduce myself. My name is Delisha Putri. I'm from Signis Group. Today I will be your guide on history. It's a pleasure to welcome you as you are reading from us. Please accept this with me. I hope this day will be memorable. This is for you. This is for you. And this is for you. Thank you. Alright, before that, I would like to ask for your total culture and what you can make your identity. Alright. Now I will get this before we go into this. If I call your name, please respond me, please. Mrs. Chara.
Present.
Mrs. Sarah.
Present.
Mrs. Jihan.
Present.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now we will have 30 minutes of time. If you want to go to the toilet, it's on the left side, and if you want to exchange money, the money changer is next to the exit gate, and there's also a step back. And please, if you look here, our hotel located. Mas tolong minta di atas. Ladies and gentlemen, we will meet again here after 30 minutes, and please enjoy your free time.
Thank you.
Okay, stars. Alright, I will check in the list before you go into class. Mrs. Jara.
Yes.
Mrs. Jara.
Yes.
Mrs. Jihan.
Yes.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now let's go to the class. And please watch yourself. Let's go. Welcome to the class, ladies and gentlemen. Please sit comfortably. Let me introduce myself again. My name is Delisha Putri. You can call me Dewi. I'm from 66 Today I will be a guide on history. Now let me introduce our driver. His name is Mr. Akko. Please say hi to Mr. Akko.
Hi.
He's very experienced. And we have our co-driver. His name is Mr. Aziz. Please say hi to Mr. Aziz.
Hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will start today's tour by visiting Tegala Restaurant. And after that, we will have lunch at Bebek Tepi Sawah Resto. And we will check in at the Budaya Resort. By the way, how's your flight before?
Good.
Is this your first time visiting Bali?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me share some information about Indonesia. Indonesia is a big country in Southeast Asia. It has more than 17,000 islands and 38 countries. The capital city is Jakarta on the island of Java. Our president right now is Mr. Prabowo Subianto, and his vice is Mr. Gibran Rakabuming Raka. Our currency is Rupiah. This is 1,000 rupiah, 2,000 rupiah, 5,000 rupiah, 10,000 rupiah, 20,000 rupiah, 50,000 rupiah, and the biggest is 100,000 rupiah. Indonesia has two seasons, rainy season from May to October and dry season from November to October. Bali is one of more than 17,000 islands in Indonesia. It is the most famous island for tourism, and it is often called the island of gods because of its strong culture of Hindu. The capital city of Bali is Denpasar, and the weather here is tropical and is usually warm and sunny. Most people in Indonesia are Muslim, but most people in Bali are Hindu. You can see daily offerings called chana sari in front of houses and temples. There are daily offerings to express gratitude to God. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are entering Ubud area. Ubud is known as the cultural heart of Bali. Ubud is a place that famous for its traditional arts and paintings and wood carvings and handicrafts. Ubud is also surrounded by beautiful rice fields and green hills, so the atmosphere here is more peaceful and cool. Many visitors come here to relax and experience Bali's culture. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we will arrive at the Tegala Restaurant. Please make sure your personal belongings are not left on the bus. Thank you. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tegala Restaurant. This place is famous for its beautiful rice field and amazing view. The rice field uses a traditional system irrigation called subak, which has been used in Bali for hundreds of years. Local farmers still grow rice here. It takes about 3 to 4 months before the rice is ready to harvest. Sometimes the rice is yellow and sometimes it is green, depending on the season. You can walk around and take a picture, but please be careful because the path can be slippery. We will spend about 2 hours here, and after that we will meet again at the parking area. Thank you, and please enjoy your free time. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now we will check attendance before we going to the bus. Alright, Mrs. Tiara,
Yes.
Mrs. Jihan,
Yes.
Mrs. Ella.
Yes.
Alright, everyone is complete. Now let's go to the bus. We will have lunch at Bebek Tepi Sawah Restaurant. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now we have arrived at Bebek Tepi Sawah Restaurant, and this restaurant is famous for its crispy duck, and we will have 75 minutes for lunch and relax. Thank you, and please enjoy your free time. Ladies and gentlemen, now we will go to the bus. Before that, I would like to check attendance before we going to the bus. Mrs. Tiara,
Yes.
Mrs. Jihan,
Yes.
Mrs. Sarah.
Yes.
Alright, everyone is complete. Now let's go to the bus. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in 15 minutes we will arrive at Dividaya Resort and Spa Ubud. So please make sure to bring your belongings on the left on the bus. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dividaya Resort Spa and Ubud. This is a peaceful boutique resort surrounded by nature and perfect for relaxation. Selamat sore, Mas. Saya Dewi Siti, kegiatan eksekutif and Travelers. Hari ini saya membawa RCU dengan pemesanan kamar atas nama 66. Terima kasih. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, your room is ready as booked, and I will give you your room key. This is for you, this is for you, and this is for you. Please check your name and check your number room, and please always bring your key when you leave the room, and please don't smoke inside the rooms. And I want to inform that tomorrow morning breakfast will be served from 7 to 10 a.m. at the restaurant, and dinner tonight also will be here at 7 in the evening. There's a swimming pool open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and there's also spa if you would like to enjoy a relax. Thank you and have a nice day. See you tomorrow morning.